In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get DeepSeek API Key step-by-step guide. We'll walk through the exact clicks to go from a blank browser to a ready-to-use API key, plus a few practical tips so you keep that key safe and organized for your projects. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type DeepSeek and review the results. Click the official DeepSeek website. Always make sure the domain is correct to avoid lookalike sites. You want the official DeepSeek homepage. Once you're on the homepage, switch the site language to English if it isn't already. You'll see an option labeled English near the top of the page. This makes the next steps clearer and ensures the buttons match what I'm describing. Next, look for the link that says API Platform. Click that, and you'll be taken to the platform area where developers manage usage and keys. This is the central place you'll return to whenever you need to check usage or create, copy, or revoke keys. On the left-hand side of the platform, find and click API Keys. This opens the page where your existing keys are listed and where you can create new ones. Think of API keys like secure passes that authorize your apps to use DeepSeek's services. Click Create New API Key. You'll be prompted to give your key a name. Choose a clear, descriptive label, like the project or environment it's for, something that will make sense to you if you come back months later. Avoid using any sensitive info in the name. It's just an identifier to help you stay organized. After naming it, click Create API Key. The platform will generate a new key string. Treat this like a password. It grants access and may only be fully visible right now. If you plan to use it in multiple places, have a secure spot ready. Finally, click Copy. You can now paste the key into the application, platform, or integration that requires it. For best results, store it in a secure location such as environment variables or a secrets manager, never in plain text or source code. Don't share it publicly, don't paste it into screenshots, and avoid committing it to version control. If a key is exposed or you no longer need it, return to the API Keys page to revoke it and create a fresh one. That's it. Search DeepSeek, open the official site, switch to English, go to API Platform, open API Keys, create, name, and copy your key. You're ready to build. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!